Are Arizona gas prices about to go down? President Biden is releasing 180 million barrels of oil over the next 6 months in the hopes of making that happen.
Yeah, and that's the largest release since America's strategic oil reserve was created, and that was back in 1974. Fox 10's Brian Webb is live now with what this means for your wallet. Brian.
Hey guys, experts say 1 million barrels a day will fill the gap created during the pandemic when both supply and demand were down. But you might want to pump the brakes a bit if you're expecting much lower prices on signs like these anytime soon. $60, $80, $100 to fill up your tank. Arizonans have had enough.
I used to put like 11 gallons of gas for my car. It was like $30, $35 now. $25 difference between gas.
But we need to get them down lower than that, a lot lower than that, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know who we got to talk to. President Biden. What's up, man?
The bottom line is if we want lower gas prices, we need to have a more oil supply right now.
President Biden hears the cries for help, promising to flood the market by releasing 1 million barrels of oil a day from the nation's strategic supply. One ASU economics professor calls it a good start, but a temporary fix.
About at 1 million barrels a day going to be added from the reserve. So that ought to help a little bit in terms of oil prices. And gasoline prices at the pump.
Professor McFeeder says the U.S. uses about 20 million barrels of oil a day, but the global market is 5 times that, 100 million a day.
That's going to be, you might say, a drop in the bucket for the global supply, and therefore I would expect we're, looking at something in the range of a few cents at best.
Arizona drivers are currently paying the 7th highest prices in the nation at $4.67 a gallon. And a price drop that's only a drop in the bucket isn't what they want to hear.
I would love to see these gas prices drop as soon as possible so that we can just get back to life as we know it.
There are a lot of factors at play, including the war in Ukraine and leftover issues from the pandemic. And it's unclear if domestic oil producers will ramp up production, afraid that if prices go back down, they'll be stuck holding the bill. Live in Phoenix, I'm Brian Webb, Fox 10 News.